Crash Course on Colombia, Colombian History. Introduction. Colombia's history is a tapestry woven with diverse cultures, significant events, and remarkable figures. From pre-Columbian civilizations to Spanish colonization, independence struggles, and modern-day challenges, Colombia's history is both captivating and complex. In this crash course, we will delve into intriguing stories, examples, and highlight 12 key events and figures that have shaped Colombian history. 1. Pre-Columbian civilizations. Before the arrival of the Spanish, Colombia was inhabited by various indigenous cultures, including the Muisca, Tayrona, and Quimbaya. The Muisca, known for their goldwork, had a sophisticated society centered around Lake Guatavita. 2. Spanish conquest and colonization. In 1499, Spanish explorer Alonso de Ojeda landed on the Colombian coast, marking the beginning of Spanish colonization. The expedition led by Gonzalo Jiménez de Quesada resulted in the foundation of Santa Fe de Bogotá in 1538, which later became the capital of the Viceroyalty of New Granada. 3. Independence movements. The early 19th century witnessed a wave of independence movements throughout Latin America, including Colombia. Figures like Simón Bolívar and Francisco de Paula Santander played pivotal roles in Colombia's fight for independence from Spain. 4. Gran Colombia. Following independence, Colombia, along with Venezuela, Ecuador, and Panama, formed the Republic of Gran Colombia in 1819 under the leadership of Simón Bolívar. This federation, although short-lived, laid the foundation for the nations we know today. 5. The Thousand Days War. From 1899 to 1902, Colombia experienced the Thousand Days War, a devastating civil conflict fueled by political and economic grievances. The war resulted in significant loss of life and had lasting effects on the country's stability. 6. The Banana Massacre. In 1928, workers from the United Fruit Company went on strike in the town of Ciénaga, demanding better conditions and wages. The Colombian military, backed by the company, responded with violence, resulting in the deaths of hundreds of workers. 7. La Violencia. La Violencia refers to a period of intense political and social violence that engulfed Colombia from 1948 to 1958. The conflict arose between conservative and liberal factions, leading to widespread killings and displacement. 8. The Bogotazo. The assassination of liberal leader Jorge Eliezer Gaitán on April 9, 1948, sparked widespread riots and protests in Bogotá known as the Bogotazo. This event marked a turning point in Colombian history and set the stage for further political upheavals. 9. The Colombian drug trade. Starting in the 1970s, Colombia gained notoriety for its role in the global drug trade, particularly with the rise of powerful drug cartels like Pablo Escobar's Medellín cartel. The violent reign of drug traffickers brought turmoil to the country and international attention. 10. Peace process and FARC. The Revolutionary Armed Forces of Colombia, FARC, one of the oldest and largest guerrilla groups in the world, fought against the Colombian government for decades. In 2016, a historic peace agreement was signed, ending more than 50 years of armed conflict. 11. Colombian literature. Colombian literature has produced remarkable figures like Gabriel García Márquez, Nobel laureate and author of 100 Years of Solitude. Márquez's magical realism style captivated readers worldwide and put Colombian literature on the global stage. 12. Juan Manuel Santos and the Peace Nobel Prize. Colombian President Juan Manuel Santos was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2016 for his efforts in negotiating the peace agreement with the FARC guerrillas. This recognition highlighted Colombia's commitment to peace and reconciliation. Summarization. Colombia's history is a mosaic of triumphs, struggles, and cultural richness. From the pre-Columbian civilizations that shaped the land to the Spanish conquest and subsequent struggles for independence, Colombia has faced numerous challenges and celebrated significant achievements. The country's history is marked by influential figures like Simón Bolívar, Gabriel García Márquez, and Juan Manuel Santos, who have left an indelible mark on Colombia's cultural, literary, and political landscape. As Colombia continues its journey, it embraces its past while forging a future of peace, progress, and resilience. Poem. In Colombia's land, a tale unfolds. A history shaped, a story untold. From pre-Columbian realms, ancient and grand, to Spanish conquest, a new world at hand. Bolívar's spirit, the fight for liberty. Independence won, a triumph for all to see. The Thousand Days' War, a nation divided. Bloodshed and strife, wounds yet unguided. La Violencia's era, a turbulent time, where ideologies clashed, in a violent rhyme. The Bogotazo shook the streets of the land. A turning point reached, a nation would stand. The drug trade's reign, a darkened stain. Escobar's legacy, a country in pain. But peace emerged from the shadows of war. Fox Accord, a brighter future in store. Colombian literature, a treasure to hold. Garcia Marquez's words, a magical unfold. Santos, a peacemaker, his efforts renowned. A Nobel laureate, with peace profound. Colombia's history, a journey untold. Of triumphs and struggles, both brave and bold. A nation that rises, with hope in its sight. Embracing its past, and a future so bright. Song. Verse 1. Colombia's tale, a journey through time. Of conquest and struggle, and dreams that align. Bolívar's vision, a fight for the free. Colombia's spirit, forever it'll be. Chorus. Through Thousand Days' War and La Violencia's reign, Colombia emerged, stronger again. From Bogotazo's chaos, a nation arose. With unity, resilience, and hope that still flows. Verse 2. The drug trade's shadow, a painful past. But peace and progress, they're here to last. Fox Accord, a step to the light. Colombia's future, bathed in peace's sight. Bridge. In literature's embrace, Garcia Marquez's art. Magical realism, a world to impart. Santos, a peacemaker, with a Nobel crown. Colombia's story, in his efforts renowned. Chorus. Colombia's history, a tapestry grand. Of triumphs and challenges, hand in hand. A nation that rises, resilient and strong. With a past to honor, and a future to belong. Asterisk 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 Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.